Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Workforce WF2950 series. I want to show you how to connect this printer and your computer using a USB cable. First of all, you need to make sure the printer is not connected to wireless network or Wi-Fi direct. So if you use up arrow button, then go to Wi-Fi network, you will see that the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct both are blank. If you connect the printer to Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct, it will highlight a blue color. If the printer is connected, you need to reset it, reset the network, and it will be in factory default setting. Take the USB cable, go to the back of the printer. So take this part of the cable, connect it to this port, and the cable is in. Take this end, connect it to the laptop. You will hear a tune, then go to laptop start, go to the laptop settings, select printers and scanners. You need to look for Epson Workforce from the list. If it is not available, you need to add a device. This is the printer Epson Workforce 2950 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Printer start to idle. Then select print test page. So it's printing a test page to confirm that the printer is connected via a USB cable. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Epson Workforce WF2950 series on laptop. Port name USB 025, Windows x64. If you want to scan document, select scanner settings, then open scanner. So the printer is available. Put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. You will see arrow on the right corner of the printer. Close the cover. You need to select the source as flatbed. If you are scanning with ADF, if you put the document on ADF, then you select ADF. So flatbed is selected. File type, PDF. Show more. You want to scan this in color. Resolution, maximum is 1200. 300 dpi selected. We want to save the file in document, then select scan. It's processing. To view the file, select view. This is the document we scanned, and this is the original one. To print it out, select print icon, or you select Ctrl P from the laptop keyboard. Then you wait for the printer to be ready. If it's taking too long, then close this. Then scroll down and select more. Then look for the printer from the list, Epson Workforce. Select on it. Then print all page. We want to print it in color. More setting. The size of the paper as A4. Scale. Fit to printable area. Print on both sides is off. Then select print. The document is printing. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. So this is how to connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable, print out a document, and also scan document. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.